Want to earn some extra money or even become your own boss? Then freelancing might be for you. Freelancing refers to working for yourself instead of working for a company or employer. As a freelancer, you are free to choose your own projects and clients, which means you are also responsible for finding and accepting jobs. While this can be a challenge, it also offers great earning potential and flexibility. There are many areas you can work in as a freelancer. Some of the most popular include graphic design, creating designs for websites, posters, business cards, etc. Writing articles, blog posts, website content, etc. Programming, developing websites, mobile apps, software, etc. Video editing, creating videos for social media, corporate videos, etc. Marketing, helping businesses improve their online presence, increase reach and generate leads. To be successful as a freelancer, it is important to have in-demand skills and establish a good reputation. It is also important to be organized and manage your time efficiently, as you will be working on multiple projects at the same time. There are several websites where you can find freelancing work, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. These sites allow you to create a profile, showcase your skills and connect with potential clients. You can also look for work on social media or in Facebook groups related to your area of specialization. In conclusion, freelancing can be an excellent way to earn extra money or even become your own boss. With the right skills and determination to find work, the earning potential is limitless.